Cost-effective fix. This heater core bypass kit offers an affordable alternative to replacing an entire failed heater core. Complete solution. Contains components and hardware required to bypass a leaking or failed heater core, including interchangeable 5/8 and 3/4 hose fittings to adapt to most common heater hoses. Durable materials. The components in this kit are manufactured from quality materials for reliable service. Trustworthy quality. Vehicle try-on tested, and backed by a team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Replacing a leaking heater core can be a labor-intensive and costly repair. This heater core bypass kit offers a money-saving alternative. It contains all the components and hardware required to bypass the failed heater core and stop coolant leaks, including interchangeable 5/8 and 3/4 hose fittings to adapt to most common heater hoses. Rerouting the engine coolant from the heater core by installing these components will disable the passenger compartment heat function, but this affordable repair can make an otherwise inoperable vehicle drivable again. The kit is engineered for durable service and designed for easy installation. Top reviews from the United States. That'll do. 2008 Ford Sport Track 4.6 LV8. Was easy to bypass my leaking heater core until I find time to replace the heater core and not leak coolant out of A/C evaporator drip. Luckily, I live in Florida. It's a good buy.